Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 59 right here. And we have a bunch of parts. It looks like we are going to continue with the dome and the leg in this issue. So let's get it open and see what we got. All right, here are the parts we get with this issue. We've got 2 more strips of double-sided tape, another dome panel, the left fuel cell, both the outer cover and the inner cover, a couple of the quick release fuel system latches, and a bunch of these plastic plugs. All right, we'll start with the dome piece, and at this point you should probably know how all of these are being installed. There's only one space large enough for this particular piece to go, so double-sided tape on the top and bottom of the hole on the inside, and make sure the writing on the back of the piece is facing right side up, and then you slide the piece in just like so, and it should stick around. All right, and there it is, fit nice and neat. All right, to begin this part, we're going to want to take these plastic plugs, and you'll notice that there are 6 shorter ones and 2 slightly longer ones with a bit of an angle on them. These longer ones, you can just pop these right off, are going to go into these holes closest to the wheel. Just like that. And the 6 shorter ones will go in the next 6 holes on the ankle and foot. Okay, with all of those in place, you'll want to take the rear cover here, or the inner cover, and make sure that it's the hollow side is facing down, and this is facing towards the right. And you'll take one of the quick release latches. It's got that little blue strip on it. Make sure that is facing towards you. And you can just pop that puppy on. Just like that. And then we will slide it in place. Line up the screw holes. And it should kind of semi-lock in place as the posts fit into the holes. And we will go ahead and screw them with, I think, the 6mm black screws. All right, and with that in place, we can take the outer cover, again with this little slot facing towards the right, and the little blue strip now is actually going to face towards the top. Another way to determine this, this little hole here is where the power bus cable is going to go, and the little blue strip goes on the opposite side of that. So we just slide it in like that, line it up just like this, and again 4 of the 6mm black screws. All right, and with that in place, we can actually put the power bus cables in. And if you'll take a look, the inner hole on the fuel cell goes to the upper hole on the foot, and the outer hole goes to the lower hole on the foot. Just like that. And that actually completes stage 59. And there we go. Yet another issue completed. I think our left leg here is almost as far as the right leg. I think all we need to do is plug up these holes, and this will be at the exact same stage as the right leg. So we're nearly done with this one. That's exciting. I'm wondering if we're going to start working on the center foot, or if we're finally going to start work on the body after this. I can't wait to find out. If you like the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.